In this section of the course, we'll be exploring Lightroom's web module. Here, we can create customized online photo galleries. The best part is, you don't need any web development or coding skills to create them. Lightroom makes it simple to do with just some basic configuration required. Before creating our own web gallery, it would be a good idea to create a collection of images that we'd like to use. By now, you're likely familiar with this process, since we've already done it for both the slideshow and print modules. First, create a collection set and call it Web Galleries. Now create a collection inside the Web Galleries collection set. Call it My First Web Gallery. Make sure you set it as a target collection. Also make sure it's nested inside the Web Galleries collection set. Now we're going to populate our new target collection with some images. So I'll select image 65 to 88, and I'll press the B key on my keyboard to populate my gallery. So there it is, 24 images have been added to the My First Web Gallery collection. Now let's head over to the Web module. Click Web. I'm just going to scroll down in my collections panel, and I'm going to click the collection we just created to select it because I don't want to see all the other thumbnails in the thumbnail gallery. So now you can see that we've narrowed the images down to just what we have in our collection. The web module interface is very similar to the book and slideshow modules that we've already worked with. Starting on the left side, we have three important panels. We have the preview, we have the template browser, and collections. The preview area provides a compacted view of the web gallery. The template browser offers an extensive list of gallery templates you can use. It's important to note that the galleries come in two formats, either HTML or Flash. Keep in mind that if you do decide to use a Flash template, your end user would be required to have the Flash Player plugin installed in their web browser to view the gallery. This is an important consideration since many browsers sometimes disable this plugin due to security vulnerabilities.